How are you all? Hope you all are fine. So, in the last session, we had learned about lesson number 2, keeping safe objectives. In this lesson, that we are going to revise, as well as we are going to write lesson number 1's question answers. So, let's start. So, before starting, I always say that what you have to do, no, not only you, we have to do. Who do include in we, I, and you. So, I am going to dictate and you are going to write. So, let's start with the revision. Today we are going to write objectives and question answers. As I have said, objectives we have already written, so we are going to revise that, and now we are going to write the question answers also. But first of all, we are going to revise the objectives. So what is the thing that you have to do before I start? Yes, you have to take your fair book and pencil. So bring your fair book and bring your pencil. These are the lesson number 2, keeping safe objectives, that we are going to see. First of all, yesterday we had learned this, so we are going to revise it. Check it. If anything is wrong or anything is left out, you have to write with me. Okay. So the first hard word is ourselves. OURSELVES, ourselves. INJURY, injury. OURSELVES, ourselves. INJURY, injury. Now third one, ZDBRA, zebra. CROOSING, zebra crossing. What are the zebra crossing? That are the black white strips on the road. Correct? What are they? The black and white strips on the road. Have you seen them? This is kind of zebra crossing. Okay. Now third one, CLIMBING, climbing. SUBWAY, subway. What is subway? Subway is an underground path. Yesterday I had told you. Correct? Subway is kind of here. From here you have to enter. This is an underground path which will open on the next part of the road. This is the road. This is subway. From here you have to go, and if you enter this path, it is kind of tunnel thing that you will see and reach on the next part of the road. You will enter from this part and you will exit from this part. Climbing. Climbing is to climb the stairs or any roof or anything else also. Safety, very important thing, correct? Safety is very important for every one of us. scissors, scissors, knives. How are knives? This is kind of butter knife also. You don't know that N is silent in knife. And knives is what? A plural form of knife. Second, filling the blanks. First, filling the blank. We should not touch electric switches with wet hands. We should not touch electric switches with wet hands. Should we touch electric switches with wet hands? No. In this rainy season also, if you have already been wet in the rain, then you are not supposed to touch the switches with wet hands. Be careful about that. We should always wait for our turn while playing on swings. What should we do? We should wait for our turn. What should we do? We should wait for our turn. We should not push anybody else. We should use zebra crossing while crossing the roads. We should use zebra crossing while crossing the road. What is zebra crossing? The black and white strips on the road. We should give immediate care to an injured person. What should we do to an injured person? We should give him an immediate care. That is giving him or her a first aid. We should use an antiseptic cream to wipe cuts and wounds. What should we use? Antiseptic cream. We should not use any ordinary cream. Okay? So, first is WEVSHOULD. Should, NOT, not. We should not touch electric, TOUCH, touch, ELECTRIC, electric, SWITCHES, switches, WITH, with, WET, wet, HANDS, hands. We should not touch electric switches with wet hands. WEVSHOULD, should, ALWAWS, always, WAIT, wait, FOR, for, OUR, our, TUR, and turn. Wait for our turn. WHILE, while. PLAYING, playing. O and on. SWINGS, swings. We should always wait for our turn while playing on swings. WEVSHOULD, should, USE, use, THE, the, ZDBRA, zebra, CROSSING, crossing. We should use zebra crossing. WHILE, while. CROSSING, crossing. THE, the, ROADS, roads. We should use the zebra crossing while crossing the road. WEVSHOULD, should. GIVE, give. IMMEDIATE, immediate. CARE, care. 2ANNINJURED, injured. PRSON, person. We should give an immediate care to an injured person. We should use an antiseptic cream to wipe cuts and wounds. WEVSHOULD, should. USC, use ANTISEPTIC, antiseptic. CREM, cream. TO2 WIPE, wipe. And CUT, cut. WOUNDS, wounds. Now next, match the following. Wet floor, slipping. Wet floor, slipping. Why is the answer wet floor's answer is slipping? Yesterday I had told you. Do you remember that? Because on wet floor we might have a chances of slipping. So what should we do? We should take care while walking on the wet floor. Scissors. What are scissors? Scissors are the sharp objects. Correct. Scissors are the sharp objects. Scissors are sharp objects. You should not play with it. Zebra crossing, black and white strips. Zebra crossing. What are zebra crossing? Black and white strips. Red light. What is the meaning of red light? What is the meaning of red light? Stop. What is the meaning of yellow light? Wait. What is the meaning of yellow light? Wait. Wet floor, slipping. Scissors, sharp objects. Zebra crossing, black and white strips. Red light, stop. Yellow light, wait or drive ahead carefully. Wet floor, slipping. 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 Scissors, sharp objects. Scissors, sharp objects. Black. Zebra crossing, black and white strips. Black and white strips. Red light, stop. Yellow light, wait or drive ahead carefully. Wait or drive ahead carefully. Give 2 examples. Sharp objects that can cause injury. Which are the sharp objects that can cause injuries? SHARP, sharp. OBJECTS, objects. CHAT, that. CAN, can. CAUSE, cause. INJURY, injury. What is the answer of that? Knives and scissors. KNIVES, knives. SCISOORS, scissors. What are the colors of traffic light? Yesterday we had studied, correct? Red, yellow and green. These are the three traffic lights, correct? These are the three colors of traffic light. Things found in the first aid box: cotton and band-aid. I'm trying to draw a band-aid if I can. It just looks like this. We can assume that. Now, given word, we should follow safety rules to stay safe from. Why should we follow safety rules? To get accidents? If we follow safety rules, do we meet from an accident, or we will be safe from an injury? We will be safe from an injury or accident. What is an underground path called? I had told you. What is that? Subway. What is that? Subway. What is the green traffic light indicates? What does this light indicate? Go. You can go. Okay. So now we are going to write the question answers of lesson number 1. So given heading question answers. Given heading question answers. Given heading question answers. In short form, if you want to write, you can write Q/ANS question answers. Okay, so let's start the questions. First, why do animals need food? Why do animals need food? Does anybody know why do animals need food? Animals need food for energy, to grow and to remain healthy. The same way as human beings, all the living things need food. The same way animals are also a living being and they also need food. So, write the first question. WHYY do ANIMALS animals, NEED need FOOD food. Why do animals need food? ANIMALS animals, NEED need FOOD food. FOR ENERGY energy. TO2 grow. and TO2 REMAI and remain. HEALTY healthy. So WHYY do ANIMALS animals, NEED need FOOD food. Why do animals need food? Animals need food for energy, to grow and to remain healthy. As we also need food for energy and to grow, they also need food. WHYY do ANIMALS animals, NEED need FOOD food. Next question. What are herbivores? WHAT what? Herbivores. Herbivorous. The plant eating animals are called herbivorous. Which are the animals that eat only plants? Have you seen tiger or lion eating plants? No, we haven't seen them. So they are not herbivorous. So then who are herbivorous? Cow, buffalo, these all cow, buffalo, goat, sheep, camel, horse, these all are the examples of herbivorous. What is the spelling of herbivorous? Herbivorous, herbivorous. The plant, plant, eating, animals, animals, called, herbivores, herbivorous. What are herbivores? WHAT what? Herbivores, herbivorous. What are herbivores? The plant, eating. The plant eating animals are called herbivores. The plant, eating, animals, animals, called, herbivores, herbivorous. What are herbivores? The plant eating animals are called herbivores. I am writing here the examples of herbivores: cow, buffalo, goat, camel. These all are the examples of herbivores. Now, next. What are carnivores? Have you seen a cow going behind the deer and eating its flesh? Have you ever seen a cow? No. So, what are carnivores? Which animals are called carnivores? The flesh-eating animals are called carnivores. Which are the flesh-eating animals? Lion, tiger, leopard. These all are flesh-eating animals. So, now write the question. WHAT what? Carnivores. What are carnivores? The flesh, eating, animals, animals, called, carnivores. The flesh-eating animals are called carnivores. The flesh-eating animals are called carnivores. Question number 4. WHERE where, DOES does, THE the, Food, food, CHAIN, chain, START, start. Where does the food chain start? While the explanation I had told you, do you remember? Where does our food chain start? Even if it is the frog food chain or the grasshopper food chain or it is any other food chain. I had showed you many food chains. Any of the food chains, do you remember where does the food chain start from? The food chain always starts with plants. Always, always, always and always. It starts with plant. Where does the food chain start? A food chain always starts with plants. WHERE, where, DOES, does, THE, the, FOOD, food, CHAIN, chain, START, start. Where does the food chain start? A food chain, FOOD, food, CHAIN, chain, ALWAYS, always, STARTS, starts, WITH, with, PLANTS, plants. A food chain always starts with a plant. Last but not the least, question number 5. Give 2 examples of animals that chew the cud. Which are the animals that chew the cud? Do you remember which is the process? What is the process of chewing the cud? First of all, they eat at once and later they bring back to the mouth and that chew it again. So, which are the examples of animals that chew the cud? Cow, buffalo, sheep, giraffe, etc. GIVE, give, 2 EXAMPLES, examples. OF, ANIMALS, animals. THAT, that. CHEW, chew. THE, the. CUD, cut. What is the answer of that? COW, cow. COW, cow. BUFFALO, buffalo. SHEEP, sheep. GIRAFFE, giraffe. ETC means etc. Etc. means there are so many other animals also that do the same process, that is chewing the cud. See, now I am making you do the revision of all the question answers. Make it once. Why do animals need food? Animals need food for energy to grow and to remain healthy. Why do animals need food? The same way we need food, they also need food. And why do they need food? For energy to grow and to remain healthy. What are herbivores? The plant-eating animals are called herbivores. What are herbivores? The plant-eating animals are called herbivores. What are carnivores? The flesh-eating animals are called carnivores. The flesh-eating animals are called carnivores. What are the examples of carnivores? Lion, tiger, leopard, etc. Where does the food chain start? As I always told, and right now also I am telling, the food chain starts always, always, always and always with plants. Last, give 2 examples of animals that chew the cud. Which animals chew the cud? Cow, buffalo, sheep, giraffe, etc. So, I have made you write lesson number 1 and 2's objectives and lesson number 1's question answers. This may be asked in your exams also. So you have to write in your fact book, and if possible you have to send me the photos that you have already written in your fact book. Any other doubts if you have, you can ask me. Okay. Thank you everyone. Thank you for listening to me. And we will meet tomorrow. See you till then. Goodbye. Take care. Stay home. Stay safe.